Hello everyone, welcome to another episode in the Agentforce playlist. In this video tutorial, we will learn about record summary prompt template. Without further ado, let us begin. What is a record summary prompt template? It provides a clear and concise record summary so that the user can easily access key information about a record in Salesforce. Consider a complex account record with many fields. So instead of scrolling through all the fields, we can use record summary to get a quick overview of that particular account. Let us jump into our org and create our record summary prompt template. From the org, I'm going to the setup. In the quick find box, enter prompt builder, new prompt template. We have to select the prompt template type in this drop down and we are creating a record summary. Let us say we are going to create a record summary for an account. So we name the prompt template as account summary prompt template. API name is automatically populated. Description is optional. Object type is obviously the account and click on next. You can see that in the insert resource, we have account as an object and all the fields related to account are present here. Let us construct an effective prompt so as to generate a desirable output. To save time, I'm going to copy paste the prompt which I have already written. Here it is. So we have written, please generate a well-written summary of the account record and given it instructions to be concise and it should sound professional and friendly. What fields need to be included, and we also would like a quick mention of related records like contacts, opportunities, and cases. Use clear and straightforward language, avoid use of filler words and phrases. Now we want to populate all these placeholder values. What we would do normally is click on the insert resource, account, and the relevant field for the account. But in the insert resource, you can see that the fields related to account can be selected. But what about the related records? We also want opportunities, contacts, and cases. In record summary, Salesforce has provided a special feature called record snapshot. So if you click on insert resource and account, here you can see a record snapshot. It selects the data available on the running user's page layout for this object for grounding. We will quickly have a look at the help document from Salesforce. I am providing the link for the same in the description box. So here it says that it automatically includes data available on user's page layout for an object with one resource. There are also some considerations and limitations which you should read. We can include the record snapshot. It will include related lists, the first 6 related lists from the page layout. So if you have 10, maybe only the first 6 will be displayed. Similarly, the tasks, the 5 upcoming tasks, they can be used. I suggest you go through what record snapshot is and we will use it here. So instead of populating the placeholder with individual fields from the account, and I know that also need opportunities and cases and also the contacts, what I will do is I'm going to insert the record snapshot for the account. Enter and insert resource, account, and record snapshot. I'm going to save this prompt template. It is successfully saved. Now let me go to one of the accounts, say Edge Communications, and here we can see we have some contacts, there are 4 opportunities, there are also some cases, and all these are the fields on the account, the rating, account name, what the type is, industry, and all these things here. Let us copy the name. Go back to the prompt builder. In the preview section, you paste the record name, but you will have to select it. And now let us click on preview and see what response we get. This is the result prompt. It uses the record snapshot. It is using all the fields from the page layout. The account phone, the account type, what is the website, billing address, annual revenue, and all these are the fields from the account page layout. And if we go down, we get the related records. Here are the contacts, the opportunities, and the cases. So all this data is going to the LLM and it generates the summary and the response is generated. So let us see what the response is. It gives the summary of the account Edge Communications. Account record for Edge Communications provides essential details. So it is telling us what type of account it is, what is the annual revenue, what is the billing and shipping address, and what are the related records. So it is stating who the contacts are and also the opportunities which have been closed won. There are several cases linked to the account. So yes, it is giving a pretty clear and concise summary of the account, which is quite easy to understand. Of course, you can make some changes to the prompt template to suit it to your desirable outcome. But I think this is good enough to understand the concept of what record summary is. So this is how record summary prompt template works. In the previous videos, we have covered the field generation prompt template. And there we were populating a field with data. Here for record summary prompt template, we aren't populating any field. The record summary is generated on the fly and it is not being saved in any particular field on the account. This is the difference between field generation and record summary prompt template. So if you go to the account, here on the account page layout, we cannot see the summary anywhere because there is no field which is populating the summary. To be able to do that, one of the ways is create a screen flow and call this prompt in the flow. However, this video is only limited to what a record summary prompt template is. That's all for this video. I hope this is helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.